welcome back to the TBH Team.
Hello.
Hello, ha.
When
Hello.
Conway.
Ute. Get that. Superior lockpicks.
TBH.
Distraction flare.
TBH.
Let's just.
Altrops K.
Should I put smoke bombs on? No, I think noise breaks are a bit more useful.
Moxie on base.
Moxie on this.
Here we go, guys.
I've seen K.
I've no idea what the hell you're saying. I don't speak any foreign languages.
Look at that chasm. My advice?
As I'm K.
Move fast and don't look down. Oh. Guess I'll have to find another way around.
Is her voice actor the same voice actor as what's her name? Is it the Blades woman from Skyrim?
This place is ancient.
That's good.
Watch your footing.
No,
Blades.
Delphine.
Oh, Delphine.
Sounds like her.
It could be.
I'm gonna look it up.
It's possible, but I'm not entirely sure.
It's alright though. We got this. What's down here? Nothing. If only we could fly, eh?
What, IRL or in-game?
Can we move this thing? Either. I don't even know what that is.
Disrespectful, moving a huge sarcophagi.
That corridor
Just the one
sarcophagus.
sarcophagus. It's just a
It
sarcophagus.
won't kill you.
Stuff up
Yeah,
here.
but it's a
Fresh
double.
air on the other side.
Oh, actually, yeah. Well done. Touche.
If you insist.
Oh! You just hit me in my glasses!
Like you've neglected to mention that Ben then touched your penis.
Yes.
I was too much in pain from my nose.
A ninja must never.
That's because really he likes his penis being touched by Ben.
Ow!
Sorry.
He was
I like knocked my glasses into my face.
Sorry, gotta go
There's
fast.
that time when I slapped your leg and you booted the table.
Oh! Oh my god.
What have I to lose?
Go on. Oh.
Why are you looking at Amazon?
It's an Amazon.
They're
They're
jumping
using those crates
Let's
to
find
hold
out what it-
weapons.
Yeah.
Nobody will notice if you ride along too.
Come back, door. What is this? What is this thing attached to?
The back wall.
Oh yeah, I see.
Have you guys ever seen a game called Deadlight? How the hell
Yes.
did you just pick that one?
I'm reach.
Because that's what this reminds me of. In a sort of sense.
John Allen voiced Delphine.
John Allen.
I don't know if it is. It sounds similar to it, but I just. Oh, filmography.
Oops. Oh! Oh!
Oh god.
No, I couldn't manage it. I didn't mean to
Have they
drop
got
off
gas
then.
masks?
Yeah.
When did this game come out?
I don't know. We're gonna catch up to this guy so I can kill him.
I don't think it is. It's not here at all. Definitely after the 90s.
Yeah, definitely after the 90s.
Yeah, it's not a.
This
Sounds.
game's about 3-4 years old.
No! Ooh.
Oh, you don't die straight away, that's good. Oh, and then you're going to do this kind of thing.
Oh, nice.
Got backup power to the catacombs. We pulled double shifts installing those security measures down there. I don't want it wasted because
If we finish the game, though, we'll get the credits, and then we'll be able to see who did it.
Hmm.
There we go, there's an incentive to finish the game. What was the name? John Allen.
Yeah.
Oh.
You've got to be on the underneath of it.
Oh yeah, I get you.
I got an email, guys.
The phone.
Oh, it's one of those smart match things again.
Is it Henry?
No, it's not. It's Vita. I
Vita?
told you, PS Vita, no one wants you. You are a good system, but you don't have games.
Oh, PS Vita.
Yeah.
Good system. You sure?
Oh, yeah, it's like powerful as like a decent console when a handheld. Whoa. Cheekbones.
Not English.
Oh,
I'm
definitely
not saying that that's a bad thing.
Yeah, impressive cheekbones, I have to say.
I'm just saying that she's Vita, she's 35, she lives... No idea, I didn't read it, but...
Possibly in Poland.
Yeah. Maybe that's your favourite girl, Colin. Polish, doesn't speak a word of English.
Can't argue with him.
Yeah. Can't say no.
Well, I know that. I do know the Polish for no,
Is it
so.
Niet?
It's Nie.
That's close.
And yes, is Russian.
Is it? Right.
Yeah. Nie is no in Polish, and yes is tak.
Tak.
That's thank you in Danish. Tak. Tak for coffee.
And then there's I actually do know a few Polish words. I know boat.
It's because of all the time he spends with his
I know yes, no, boat. Women's toilets. Toileta damska.
I think you spend a bit too much time
In
talking
women's
to these
toilets.
Polish girls.
No,
I think you might need to sprint.
I just know the I think men's toilets is toileta menska as well. And then I don't remember any more words. Nice.
How do you say I shouldn't be in the ladies' toilets?
I don't know.
Hello.
Push him off.
Oh. Oops.
Toss him off.
You'll have to toss me. Don't tell the elf. How are we doing for time, Ben?
We are on 6 minutes 46 and 98. Or at least we were.
It won't be the same in the video though because
No, because
it's intro and maybe outro.
intro. And that intro is about 8 seconds long, would you say?
Oh boy.
Ooh,
Oh, girl. Yeah, I do that.
You're gonna have to go up. Oh dear.
I wasn't paying attention.
You going up? I'm gonna get headburned.
Dun, 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 dun. What the fuck? Ah.
Oh, nice. Right, go around to that side. Oh yeah.
That's the left.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, touch the left.
God Zubin.
Catch my ass!
Is this like get up, get it.
Pay attention again. Sorry,
Do
guys.
you think there's Vanasaga fanfiction?
Well, it must be. You can do it just with a soundboard.
Or Ben?
Oops. Woo!
I'll type it in. Vanasaga porn. Oh
Or
no, I
34.
can't on my data, can I? We tried, you know, before.
Context is important here.
Although to
Get
be
in
fair,
the lab.
even with the context, it wasn't a particularly good reason.
We just wanted to see videos from Buffer.
So now it's coming from the left, I think. Oh no.
It's coming from everywhere.
Oh, it's coming from the right! Oh no, I couldn't get on in time.
I like how it just completely vaporizes you.
No matter which part of it you hit, it hits you, yeah.
Stupid light. I hate you.
Yeah, fanfiction, A Val's Tale by Slimsy Platypus.
Sorry.
Oh,
I don't think it's porn.
that's
Oh.
disappointing.
Yeah. Let's try and finish this puzzle and then we can end the episode.
Yeah, I can't see any proper...
Nice.
That's not going to go on my... that's going to go on my internet history. Not like the other thing, which I opened in.
What?
Incognito.
You jumped.
tab for.
I did not.
You did.
I did not press the jump button.
You did.
Oh, screw you.
Don't screw me.
That's not what you usually say.
Yes, it is.
Ben? That's what he usually says?
It's gone off the timer.
I
so
guess
I
next
guess we'll
time.
Yeah, we'll join you again next time.
next time on
Farewell.
TBH Team.
We'll be
See you in a
back.
bit.
Bye.
I'm floating in midair. Bye.